In this quick video, I'm going to explain how to fix the Tesla camera not working, or camera temporarily unavailable issue. If your Tesla's cameras, backup, side, or front-facing, are not functioning properly, here's how you can troubleshoot and resolve the problem. First, check for dirt, debris, or condensation on the camera lenses. Clean them gently with a microfiber cloth to ensure they're clear and unobstructed. Dirty or foggy lenses are a common cause of camera issues. Next, ensure your Tesla's software is up to date. Outdated firmware can lead to glitches in the camera system. Go to your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to Software Update, and install any available updates. If the issue persists, try restarting your car. Turn it off completely, wait 30 seconds, and turn it back on. This can reset the system and resolve temporary software errors. Another step is to recalibrate the cameras by driving your car for 20 to 30 miles on a straight road. Tesla's system often recalibrates itself during normal driving. If none of these steps work, there may be a hardware issue, such as a damaged camera or sensor. In this case, contact Tesla support or schedule a service appointment for professional diagnosis and repair. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more Tesla troubleshooting tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and enjoy full functionality of your Tesla cameras again.